Hello everyone, and this is Edmund Mindaros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to show file extension in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang si start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung File Explorer option. Alright, and then click mo lang yung open. Dito sa kanyang File Explorer option settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung view. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang advanced settings ay kailangan mo lang i-uncheck yung hide extensions for non-files. Also, uncheck mo lang siya. Okay, so na-turn off na siya and then click mo yung apply and then click mo yung okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple, or the other option naman na pwede mong gawin. So dito lang sa ating File Explorer, so i-click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa gitna ay makikita mo yung view, so click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang yung show. Dito sa show ay kailangan mo lang select yung file name extension, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin show yung file extension dito sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.